Okay, good morning, Mandal. Today we discuss about atomic spectra. What is the spectrum? Okay, when prism, the white light falls on a prism. There can be VGR white light. White light falls on a prism. Uh, it can be dispersed into 7 colors. Some of the colors, that is 4,000 to 4,000 angstrom to 8,000 angstrom, that is VGR. VIBGYOR. That is a VGR having 7 colors. White light split into 7 color. That is a called spectrum. That is a deviation. White light into deviation into 7 colors. That is a spectrum. Okay, atomic spectrum can be divided into two types. Atomic spectrum can be divided into two types. The one is emission spectrum. Emission spectrum. Another one is absorption spectra. What is the emission spectra? What is the absorption spectra? Means transition from lower ground state to higher exit state. That is called absorption. Here transition from ground state to exit state, higher state, electron transition from lower state to higher state with observing the energy, that is called absorption. It gives some spectra, that is the absorption spectra. It is the emission spectra. Emission spectra means the higher energy to lower energy photon transition from higher state to ground state or lower state with emission of photon. It gives some spectra is called emission spectra. It is a normal state. Okay, when in the case of atomic spectra, the atomic emission spectra, when a atomic gas or vapor is heated, it is suppose it is a one tube having gas atomic molecules. Okay, this atomic gas heated with electric current, the radiation is emitted. It can be heated with applying heated with electrical current. The atomic gas can be heated with electrical current, then the radiation is emitted. The radiation is a fixed radiation or single radiation is emitted. It can be falls on a prism. It can be given some suitable or fixed wavelength, that is yellow, green or red, like this. The spectrum can be divided into some spectrum like this. This spectrum is called discrete spectrum or line spectrum. Line or discrete spectrum or line spectrum. That is, when a atomic gas is heated, the radiation is emitted at a fixed wavelength. That fixed radiation, electromagnetic radiation, falls on a prism. It can be give few wavelengths. That means the wavelength can be range 4,000 angstroms to 8,000 angstroms. Suppose here this wavelength is 4197, here 4237, like this. Okay, here 4100, here 400928 or 5002, like this. That is it a suitable wavelength. But here the wavelength is 4000.1, 4000.92, like this. It is a continuous spectrum. It can be continuous spectrum. Continuous spectrum means like this. Every small wavelength also we get different colors, but here only fixed wavelength we get with GR, or wavelength we get spectrum on screen. It is a screen. On a screen we get suitable or fixed colors at a different wavelength, but here continuous, in the case of continuous spectrum, every point wavelength also get every color or every spectrum. That is continuous spectrum. Continuous spectrum, it is called discrete or line spectrum. This type of spectrum is called line spectrum. This type of spectrum is called continuous spectrum. In the case of emission spectra, we get single radiation, that is fixed wavelength, get having on a screen different fixed wavelength. It can be in the form of line or discrete spectrum like this. Some specific wavelength were present in the prism. Okay, it gives the some kind of spectrum is called line spectrum or discrete spectrum. Okay, every gas has a characteristics of emission. Okay, like this can we explain. Okay, every gas has a characteristics of emission spectrum. Every gas molecules gives the emission spectrum. Okay, every gas molecules gives emission spectrum, like monoatomic gas, bag gas, helium gas. It gives the hydrogen gas gives the emission spectrum. That is, it gives the line spectrum or discrete emission spectrum. Explanation of the emission line spectrum. Okay, for example, hydrogen atom, electrons, that is periodic, according to periodic table, it is inside a nucleus is there. It is first orbital, second orbital, third orbital, fourth orbital, like this. Here, see here, it is nucleus, first orbital, second orbital, third, fourth, fifth. This is the number of orbitals there, sp, d3, sp, d, f, like this. Okay, first orbital having energy 1, second orbital 1, second 2. This is having energy states, that is at n1, energy state n1 for hydrogen atom, n1, e1, to n2 state level, e2, n3, e3, for n4 level, energy state is e4. That is, it can be corresponding to the like this, the energy atomic spectrums. Okay, when hydrogen atom is heated, the electron jump from lower state to higher state. But in the case of quantized fixed energy levels, these are the quantized fixed level, because it having only few suitable wavelength. In the case of other states like energies like this, it is a not fixed, it is a random or band, like band or continuous spectrum. It gives the continuous spectrum. It only emission spectra gives only line spectra. Line spectra means it is only quantized energy levels or energy states corresponding to the orbitals, first orbital, second orbital, third orbital, fourth orbital. These energy states like this. These are will be same. This is the only energy lines. This is the orbitals corresponding to the energy state. First energy state, second energy state, third, fourth, like this, fifth energy states. Okay, when a heat hydrogen atom, energy is transition from higher state to lower. When a hydrogen atom heated, energy is transition from lower to higher. That means from this state to here, from one state to another state. Energy is transition from lower state to, suppose this is 2 state, third state, transition from lower to higher state. But here electron is very unstable in the higher state, but there is no energy not sufficient to stay. There is no lifetime. According to in the case of laser, that is lifetime of lifetime of hydrogen atom is, that is 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds in the case of laser transition. Same like in the case of hydrogen, electron cannot be stable in the higher state. There is no lifetime to stay. There is no suitable energy states in the higher state. That is the it come back to the reverse to the lower state with emitting the energy. The emitting energy is H nu. The emitting energy is H nu, like this. Suppose here one transition from higher state to lower state, okay, observing the energy first second state to third state, but it cannot be stable in the higher state. Come back to the reverse to the lower state with emission of photon. The photon energy is E is equal to H nu. Okay, that is the reason transition. The photon energy, emitted photon energy is energy. The energy of the photon is equal to the difference energy of the two orbitals. Okay, this is first this energy equal to the first orbital, second orbital. This is the difference or delta E equal to the energy difference between the emitted photon. Photon energy is equal to the difference between the two energy levels. That is the emitted photon is equal to difference between the two levels or two energy states, higher energy state minus lower energy state. That is transition from lower to higher to lower. N1, suppose this is N1, this is this is N1, this is N2. Transition from N2 to N1, like this. That is here N2 to N1 transition, like this. It emits the photon. That is energy photon is H nu. Emission, we can explain the emission spectra. That means transition from higher state to lower state. That is the emission spectrum. Okay, the emitted photon is equal to the difference between the two energies. That is emitted photon is equal to the difference delta E or E2 minus E1, whatever may be. Okay, that is when a transition from higher state to lower state. It is equal to the photon difference energy or delta E. And also from relation, photon energy difference is delta E, H nu is equal to Hc by lambda or H nu. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Photon energy is equal to H nu, is equal to H nu or Hc by lambda. Okay, from this equation we can compare both are equal. First, according to first equation, Hc by lambda in the form of wavelength, and also difference En2 minus En1. Okay, from we have the certain specific values only. Okay, we get a discrete. This is the energy difference of the two energy states. This is the relation between the emission spectrum. But lambda will be have certain specific values only. Lambda means specific here. N1 is certain lambda, N2 is certain lambda. That is energy is nothing but E is Hc by lambda. This lambda is suitable for energy states. It is also one lambda. Suppose here 4001. Here we get some energy. H value, H value, C value. That is constant values. We get some spectrum. There is some wavelength. We get energy. Suppose energy is equal to 13 electron volts. We get lambda in angstrom or nanometer, whatever may be. In angstrom or nanometer we get that relation. There is a energy states and with corresponding to the suitable wavelength. It gives the discrete spectrum. That is a line spectrum. That is line spectrum. How to form, that means it is suitable for certain specific means fixed values only, that is the line spectrum. The shortest formula for the finding the lambda per photon, okay, that is emitted photon is equal to the difference between the two energy states, that is both are will be constant. We can substitute the values, you know, hc by lambda constant, h value constant, h value what is the 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second, c value 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. These values are substituted in the equation. In the equation we get okay, now the energy difference, photon emitted photon energy state from higher state to lower state, energy transition, the energy transition is equal to the photon energy. That is energy, suppose it is lower state n1, that is n2, transition from n to n1, that is e2 to e1. Okay, there is a difference between the, it is equal to the difference between energy states, that is e2 minus delta e or n2 minus n1, that is AC. Photon energy is what? AC by lambda. You know, according to Bohr theory, for n states E is equal to minus 13.6 z square by n square electron volts. It is for nth states, for all n states, for all states. Suppose that here for nth state energy is En2 is called minus 13.6 z square minus n2 square. Suppose for n1, in the ground state n1, for n1 En1 is equal to minus 13.6 z square by n1 square. Okay, according to this equation, emitted photon energy equal to the E n2 minus E n1, that is the E n2 means minus here minus 13.6 z square by n2 square minus into minus this one minus 13.6 z square by n1 square. Okay, taken this is 13.6 is take common, minus 13.6 taken, take common, minus 13.6 minus okay, take 13.6 common. Okay, this is taken first 13.6 z square by z square common, that is plus minus and minus plus 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, that is the photon energy. Emitted photon is equal to the photon energy. What is the photon energy? Hc by lambda, that is Hc by lambda is equal to 13.6 z square into 1 minus n1 n1 square minus 1 by n2 square is the energy difference. You okay, we want to only for lambda, fixed suitable wavelength, that is lambda is equal to 13.6 z square by Hc into 1 minus n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, this is the constant, that is lambda is equal to 13.6 z square by Hc 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, you can take constant, this is constant value, lambda is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to this is a constant, it is a constant, that is r is equal to 13.6 by hc, that is Rydberg constant. That is Rydberg constant value is equal to 1.09 into 10 to the power of 7 meter inverse. This is the Rydberg constant. Rydberg constant. This is one fixed value. Okay, from this is the R. Next to R, z square minus 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, that is 1 by lambda is equal to R z square 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the derivation of the spectrum is called spectral series. Spectral series means sum of the wavelength forming only one single line. It is for 4000 to 4200.1, this is 4300.6. These are wavelength come and form a single line or single wavelength like this. This type of spectrum. This type of spectrums can be divided, come form a into this line spectrum. This is the suitable wavelength. Suppose violet, green, yellow like this. Here red, blue, pink, violet, or pale yellow, pale green, red, blue, yellow, green like this. These are the yellow, green. It is one for yellow, green, blue like this. Only if there are 7 colors. Okay, this is for 2 states energy suitable for lambda for only higher state to lower transition. It comes the emission spectrum. Is photon energy. It is the h nu equal to the lambda wavelength in between the 2 lambda is equal to r z square minus n1 square minus n1 square. This is the derivation for the suitable wavelength. Okay, for hydrogen atom, the simplest atom, for hydrogen atom, Z is equal to 1. The photon transition from electron falls from higher state to lower state. Transition electron falls from lower to higher state. That is n1 is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2 and 3 and 4 like this. Okay, we want to see that hydrogen atom, simplest atom is the hydrogen atom is the simplest atom. We can find the lambda for hydrogen atom. This is the transition from n1 to n is equal to 1 to 2, or n is equal to 1 to 3, n is equal to 1 to 4, n is equal to 1 to 3 up to infinity. Okay, we can find the lambda for this value, and also n is equal to 2 to n is n1, n2 is equal to 3, 4 like this. That is the spectrum can be divided into some specific names: Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket spectrum like this. Okay, we can draw the spectrum. Let's show here. There's energy N1. This is the N1 ground state, second state N3, third state N4, N5 like this. N4 n is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Okay, up to n is equal to infinity. This is energy, that is minus in the ground state. What is the value? Minus 13.6. It is 13.6 for n is equal to minus. You can substitute values. N is equal to 1. Here you can put the values according to for n fringes. Where is the value? According to Boltzmann, for all states, E is equal to minus 13.6 z square by n square. We can put the n values. N is equal to 2, 1, we can put, we can z is equal to 1, 1, we get different energy state, that is a minus 3.4, 3.4, next minus 1.51, next 0 minus 5, 0.85, like this. Energies increases, energies increases to 0 at it is energy in electron volts. There is a wavelength increases, energy increases, like this. Okay, transition from n1 to n2, like this, n21 to n1, n2 to n3 to n1, n4 to n1, up to infinity, to n1. This is called Lyman series. Lyman series. In the case of same, like this here transition from n2 to n1, n3 to n1, n4 to n1, n5 to n1, up to infinity. The transition takes place. This type of we get spectrum is called Lyman series or Lyman spectrum. And also n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 2, we get 2, 3 to 2, 4 to 2, 5 to 2, 6 to 2, up to infinity. This is the Balmer series. Okay, suppose see here like this. From if n is equal to transition from n is equal to 1 to infinity, suppose n is equal to 1 to 2, n is equal to 2, we get these values, we get these values like this. If for Lyman series, the transition like n1 is equal to 1 to 2, n is equal to n2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. Okay, these values are substitute, we get Lyman series. Suppose what is the lambda suitable wavelength? 1 by lambda is equal to r z square minus 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, for we get these values, n1 is equal to 1, r is equal to, for hydrogen, for z is equal to 1, it is n1 is equal to what? 1 by 1 minus, first we can take 2 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means we get 4 square means we get 4 values, we get 1 by 4. Okay, r is equal to 4 means it is 3 by 4. Okay, 1 by lambda is equal to r into 3 by 4. Lambda is equal to 1 by r is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. What is the r value? What is the r value? Is approximately 911 angstrom. Okay, we get 911 into 4 by 3. 4 by 3 we get, for it is lambda, we get 1 to 16 angstrom. Okay, it is for minimum, only for this minimum we can take minimum. Okay, there is a lambda is maximum. Okay, relation is lambda is proportional to 1 by n. When lambda is minimum, n is maximum. There is n is minimum, we get lambda is maximum. Suppose we get lambda is minimum means n is maximum. N is means maximum means infinity. We can take infinity, we get 1 by lambda is equal to r. R is equal to 1 by r is equal to lambda. That is 1 by r is equal to what? 911 angstrom. That's it. Lyman series, it is minimum is 9 minimum, fourth minimum spectrum is like this. Transition from wavelength to 911 to 1216 angstrom. This is the only for Lyman series. Suppose for Balmer series, for Balmer series, we can take n1 is equal to 2, n3 is n2 is equal to 3 to start, 3 4 5 to infinity. For Lyman n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 2 to infinity. For Lyman, for Balmer n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3 to infinity. These values substitute in this equation, we get minimum wavelength and maximum wavelength. This maximum wavelength and maximum wavelength, and also that is 1 by, we can write the wavelength, the terms of wavelength, 1 by lambda is equal to r 1 by 3 square minus 1 by n square. Here n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity. This is for Balmer series equation. For Fashion series, n1 is equal to 3, n2 is equal to 4, 5, 6 to infinity. Okay, you can write the wavelength form. 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by 3 square minus 1 by n square. Here n is equal to 4 to 4, 5, 6 to up to infinity. We get minimum value, minimum wavelength and maximum wavelength. And also for Fashion is Balmer Fashion. Next bracket for bracket n1 is equal to 4, n2 is equal to 5, 6 to infinity. Okay, for we get to lambda, 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by 4 square minus 1 by n square. It is bracket. It is for bracket. N is equal to 5 and 6 to 7 to up to infinity. This is for bracket. Next for font series. For font series, n1 is equal to 5, n2 is equal to 6 to 7, 8 to up to infinity. It is 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by 5 square minus 1 by n square. Here n is 6, 7, 8 to up to infinity. These values are substitute, we get minimum wavelength or maximum wavelength. Minimum wavelength for like this, lambda is proportional to 1 by n. We get minimum wavelength, we substitute maximum n. Maximum n is nothing but maximum n is infinity. Maximum n is infinity for all. We get minimum wavelength in different series, font, bracket, Fashion, Balmer series. Okay, and also we get like this here, see here. And also in the case of Lyman series, we get to wavelength range, we get minimum and maximum wavelength in the case of UV region. In the case of Lyman series, we get minimum and maximum wavelengths are in the range of UV region. In the case of Balmer series, also we get in the visible region. It is Lyman series is UV region, Balmer is in the visible region, and also Fashion in the lower infrared region, and also bracket is low. Bracket and Fashion are in the same region, lower IR infrared region. Okay, fund say in the case of fund series, it is higher infrared region. That is lambda is equal to like this. You can substitute the n values from year to year. We get the spectrums like this. Energy spectrums from star station n2 to n1, n3 to like this. It is we get up to infinity. It is in infinity. That is zero voltage. This is transition from Lyman series. Minimum is 911 nanometers to 212 angstroms, or 1 to here. What is the 1 to 16 is the angstrom. Minimum for minimum we get maximum wavelength. It's maximum wavelength for Lyman series, and also Balmer series transition from 3 to 2, okay, 4 to 2, 5 to 2, okay, up to infinity we get Balmer series. In the case of Fashion, we get 4 to 3, 5 to 3, 6 to 3, 5 to 6, up to infinity to 3 we get Fashion, and also we get bracket 5 to 4, 5 to 4, 6 to 4, 7 to 4, 8 to 4, up to infinity to 4 we get bracket, and also 5 to 6, 7 to 6, 8 to 6, up to infinity we get fund series. At infinity we get 0 voltage. For minimum for all wavelength we get lambda minimum means we get I infinity, I in values. Increasing the principal quantum number n is increases, lambda will be decreases. That is minimum for higher for lambda is higher, lambda is minimum for all, that is 911. Its maximum is for Lyman is 212, okay, and the textbook is there like this. Okay, in the case of textbook like this, that is maximum wavelength, it is minimum, it is in the form of nanometers. Okay, this is for Balmer, it is for Balmer minimum to higher, it is for Fashion brackets like this. And also here see here spectrum series in the case of H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H infinity, H delta, H gamma, H beta, H alpha spectrums in the Balmer series, and I can explain this is spectrum of the Balmer series at wavelength ranges. It is only for in the case of finds, it is not suitable for fixed wavelength, it is for other wavelength like this. Okay, for in the case of Balmer series, in the case of Balmer series, the previous the lowest wavelength is longest wavelength, that is 656.3 nanometers. It is for red color, that is the H alpha line, okay, and also next line is with wavelength 486.1 nanometers for it is blue green wavelength, that is the H beta line. The third line is wavelength is 434.1 nanometers, that is it is violet color, that is the H gamma line. Okay, that is the energy photon is emitted. That is so lambda is decreases with increasing the energy, that is according to relation. Energy is proportional to S by lambda, energy is inverse proportional to lambda. Okay, that is lambda is high, delta difference is low. Okay, we can substitute the lambda values 1 by r is equal to 1 by n1 square we get to write the in the form of frequency. Also you can write the in this equation wavelength form in the form of frequency. You know c by lambda, c is equal to n lambda, c is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to nu by c lambda. We get this form 1 by lambda is equal to nu by c is equal to r into 1 by c. That is nu is equal to rc into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. That is the line spectrum for Lyman series to Fund series are applicable for few elements. That is for hydrogen atoms, gases only, single electron atoms like this He plus, like this double and Li plus plus. Okay, single electron atoms we can applicable with the hydrogen atoms, the line spectrum. That is longest wavelength barrier in the Balmer series, that is ESCA. Longest wavelength, that is the longest wavelength. Okay, that is the longest spectrum like this, hydrogen spectrum like this. It is the ionization. Okay, it is to infinity. The spectrum of the can be divided into the this type of shorter wavelength or longer wavelength of the fashion and bracket or Balmer series are like this. Okay, now absorption spectrum. We can explain the absorption spectrum. That is absorption means transition from lower to higher. We can observe the energy like this. We can, when a same process is appear, only here in the case of emission, electron emit the photon energy. The photon energy is equal to the energy difference level in two orbitals. But here only observe the energy. There is no energy difference. With the remaining is always same. But here only white light is passes through the cooled gas. But in the phase of emission, we can gas molecules we can apply the heated. It is transmitted light. Okay, number of experiment done by emission spectrum. Only here some of the missing continuous spectrum with some specific means here only some relations we get here darkness of the here darkness, the line spectrum constant bright lines on a dark background. Here the lines of spectrum consisting of the brightness of the dark background. From this spectrum materials can be has a fingerprint. We can using the absorption spectrum like as a what fingerprint purpose we can using the absorption spectrum. That is line spectrum consisting of the bright lines on a background. That is the same energy. In the case of absorption spectrum, the specific wavelength appear in the emission spectrum. Those are same wavelength are missing. Some wavelength are missing. We can form a line in the case of absorption spectrum. Thank you, one and all.